Today we're going to announce the winner of the Parts Express $250 shopping spree. This high-output bookshelf speaker delivers a big sound you'd normally only expect from tower speakers. Upper frequencies are produced by a 5 1/4-inch mid-range with a coaxial tweeter. An 8-inch woofer provides a deep and powerful bass response. And the crossover keeps the drivers operating in their optimal range, ensuring low distortion even when driven to concert levels. Get the pair, available now. Do you like to browse? Maybe you'd enjoy looking at our digital catalog to learn more about the products we offer. On our homepage is a link to the digital product catalog, which is a refreshing way to browse Parts Express. Check it out now. One of the best ways to get started into speaker building is to pick up one of our speaker kits. There are many to choose from, including beginner and expert. Head over to the site and see what pops out to you, and then maybe you could film it or take photos, post it to social, or even to our project gallery for Parts Express credit. But now let's announce the winner of the Parts Express shopping spree. It'll be nice to have an extra $250 to spend on the site, so we hope you enjoy it. Jonathan L. from Wall Township, New Jersey. Congratulations, and we'll be in touch soon. Now we've got another great prize lined up for you. Entering this month could win you a complete 2.1 stereo sound system thanks to Dayton Audio. So good luck to all who enter, and we'll see you next month.